Hey guys, I want to show you my new play phone for roleplay. Y'all can get one too.
Hello, friend. Press the green call button to make a call. Please leave a message after the beep.
Hey, this is Gecko. Wondering if you're gonna be around. I'll see you later. Bye.
Thanks for calling. Press the green call button to make a call. Picture fun. I heard you have some beautiful pictures. Let's look. Banana, healthy fruit. Great. Use the arrow buttons to choose and then press enter. Banana, healthy fruit. Great. Library. I like it. I might go to the park.
Me too.
Apple, healthy fruit. I like it.
I know you would.
Beach, terrific. Windmill, terrific. Dog, awesome. Let's call our friend. Press the green call button to call. Press enter to change 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's an interesting phone number.
9. Please leave a message after the beep.
Hey, how are you?
Thanks for calling. Press the green call button to make a call. Let's call our friend.
I don't know who that
Call
is.
button to call. Press enter to change the phone number. Use the arrow buttons and number keys to change the phone number. Press the
Oh, you can change it?
7 0 2 2 2 5 7 1 4 1. Let's call our friend. Press the green call button to call. 7 0 2 2 2 5 7 1 4 1. Please leave a message after the beep.
Hey babe, it's me. Wondering when you're gonna come over.
Thanks
Bye.
for calling. Press the green
That's
call button
Ian
to make
News
a
phone
call.
number.
Let's call our friend. Let's call our friend. Let's call our friend.
That would be more.
Let's call our friend. Press the green call button to call. Please leave a message after the beep.
Hey, how are you doing?
Thanks for calling. Please say number counting. Let's count together. Press the number. 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 7 7 7 7 8 8 8 8 9 9 9 0 0 0 0 0 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 3. Let's number quiz. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm gonna
Which
fail
one
at
is
this
the
one.
number 6. Use the arrow buttons to pick a number and then press enter. 8. Sorry. Which one is the number 6? 6. Great. Which one is the number 1? 1. Awesome. Charge it up. My phone needs some power. Blow the clouds away for solar power.
Oh, there we go.
Great. Blow the windmill for wind power.
Oh, damn. Did I do it? Oh! It's working!
Great. Blow the clouds away for solar power.
Okay, I will. Thank you. See, all I have to do is talk, and I don't.
Blow the windmill for wind power.
No, I don't feel like it.
Right. Use the arrow buttons to choose.
Really? The only 2 settings I get.
Press the green call button to make a call. Ringtone. Use the arrow buttons to choose a ringtone, and then press enter.
I like this.
Press the green call button to make a call. Music fun. Use the arrow buttons to choose, and then press enter. Use the arrow buttons to change instruments. Use the arrow buttons to change instruments. My clock. Use the arrow buttons to tell time. 1 o'clock. 1.
Wait, is it 1 o'clock? No, it's 6:46.
6. 4. 6. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 1. 0. 0. 1 o'clock. 2. 8. 4. 1 o'clock. Awesome.
Ah! How the hell?
2.
Oh, okay. Time is really passing by.
8 o'clock. Letter chat. Let's learn letters.
Mm-hmm.
A. This is the letter A. B. This is the letter B. This is the letter B. C. This is the letter C. D. This is the letter D. E. This is the letter E. F. G. H. G.
There's G for gecko. G for my name.
H.
You can manually do it.
J. Press enter. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. A. 3, 4, 8, 7, 2, 3, 4, 9, 0, 5. This is the letter A.
It's cringy. It's so funny too.
Press the green call button.
Look at this little parrot though. It's like, I'm so glad that I have this. Like, this is 2021. I've
Press the green call
put this
button
last
to make a
year.
call.
2021.
Number quiz. Are you ready? Which one is the number 9? Use the arrow buttons to pick a number and then press enter. 9. Great. Which one is the number 0?
Alright, that's all for today, guys.